Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with this another Amazon review for this Friday night. This is a waterproof camera, security camera, mini cam, night vision, waterproof, a lot of cool things. You gotta buy a micro SD card though, so you might want to stock up on a few. I got one in there right now. That's what it looks like. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. There is a QR code you're gonna have to scan. There's a mounting bracket for your car. Like I said, you could have it mounted everywhere. And here's the underwater adventures for you snorkelers, divers, whatchamacallit, surfboarders out there. Maybe skydiving, you guys gotta take it out there. Sorry about that. And it comes with the USB charge. Links will be down below. Check them out. Get one at a low cost. And get it shipped to you guys in no time. So we got the app installed. Oops. I don't want to give nothing away. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Play. Gotta load up. Whoa. Look at that. That's some good quality right there. I'm liking this camera. It's really nice. Check out the features it has. I'm sure there's a cloud. You can hook it up to the TF card right there. And there's a video. Test 1 2 1 2 3. Where's the files? It's finally in here. Click video. There it is. Let's play. Clear quality. Really nice camera. Glad I finally set it up. Sorry about the unboxing, but that's what I like to do first is the unboxing, then try to figure it out. And like I said, easy to set up. Nice little spare camera to have for like a security cam. Shows like how many the memory you have left. Camera, took that picture pretty good. It's smooth. It is underwater camera. See, there's my little tripod. Test. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna pause it. And gotta go back to your files. Oops. You gotta hit that twice. There you go. And then you go to your video. That's photo. There we go. Cool. Look at that clear. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe out there and check them out. Link will be down below for to get this great deal on the security camera I'm going to use it for. This will be a nice little stacking stuffer. Definitely, especially at the price they got it for right now. So all I gotta do, click on the link and see what other goodies they have to offer. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good one. Be safe. Give it a thumbs up and see you guys soon. See ya.